So I've had a few people contact me about building their gravel lug kit, and I'm just doing some quick tips to give you a bit more guidance if you're building your bike at home. So the first step you need to do is to get the bamboo to fit into the lug. The best way to do this is to measure first and then just take a Stanley knife and just very quickly start to whittle down the bamboo like so. And you can see I'm going to pop my hand in and then just push through. Each time you work, check with the lug until you get it really close. So keep checking. This is the size gauge. So what I've got now is this is fitting really well, but I've got an edge here, and it's naturally, as I'm cutting with the knife, I'm always missing this edge. So what you're going to need now is a rounded file. So take this out, take the rounded file, and then just cut a neat line using the file this way, and then flatten the file to match the radius. So that now fits really nicely, and I've got a really nice sealed joint around here, and the big benefit of that is we're not going to get any water going in between the lug and the bamboo, and we're going to get a really good connection in terms of longevity. So that's how I formed that joint using a Stanley knife and a file.